This 2021 DRV FullHouse LX455 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used DRV is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a Invoke interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.